Hello everyone and welcome to the OneClass channel. My name is Donna and I'm a recent master's graduate from the Material Science program from the University of Ontario Institute of Technology, also known as Ontario Tech University. So today we're going to go over some commonly asked questions in chemistry at the high school, college, and university level. So if you needed any help with homework or with tutoring, then check out the links in the description below. Now let's just get started on our set of questions for today's session. Okay, so question 1 says to convert the following: A 0.745 atm to millimeters of mercury, B 992 torr to bar, C 365 kilopascals to atm, and D 804 millimeters of mercury to kilopascals. Okay, so let's do the first. 0.745 atm to millimeters of mercury. So first, let's recall that the conversion factor for atm to millimeters of mercury is equal to 760 millimeters of mercury to 1 atm. Okay, so this will help us in converting from atm to millimeters of mercury. So first, we just need to write down our unknown, or what is known, sorry, which is the 0.745 atm over x millimeters of mercury, which is the units that we're interested in. And now this is where our conversion factor takes place, where actually it should be the other way around, where you put your unknown on top and what you are trying to get rid of is at the bottom. That way, when you write your conversion factor, the units that you're looking for should be on top, and the units you're trying to get rid of will be at the bottom. So now let's multiply both sides. So multiply this side by 0.745 atm and multiply our other side by the same thing, just to show how these units will cancel out. So now pretty much when we solve for x, 760 multiplied by 0.745 gives 566.2 millimeters of mercury. So now let's do the same thing for B. 992 torr to bar. Okay, so we know how to convert from torr to atm, which is actually the same as converting from atm to millimeters of mercury. in which 1 ATM is equal to 760 torr. So let me write that down. And converting from ATM to bar, you multiply by a factor of 1.013. So now you should see that our units for torr will cancel out, and also our units for ATM will cancel out as well. And our answer is 1.32 bar. Okay, so C is 365 kilopascals to ATM. So the conversion factor for this question is 1 ATM is equal to 101.35 kilopascals. So what we're looking for will be on top. And our bottom is the units we're trying to cancel out. And we end up with 3.6 ATM. And lastly, 804 millimeters of mercury to kilopascals. Let's first convert to ATM. And now we'll convert to kilopascals. And we end up with 107.2 kilopascals. Okay, so now let's see what the junior tutor said. The conversion of pressure units involves the following conversion factors with ATM as the base measurement. So ATM is equal to 760 millimeters of mercury, 760 torr, 1.01325 bars, and 101.325 kilopascals. For A, they got 566.2, B 1.32, C 3.6 ATM, and D 107.19 kilopascals. Okay, so this solution is correct.